Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to fix Windows real-time protection can't be turned on. So I will be showing you at least three methods today. So in case that you encounter a problem like this, like you can turn this one on. So the first thing you must do here is to simply go to the search box and then kindly type GP edit, okay, or this edit group policy. Open this one. Once right here, you have to locate for computer configuration. Now you have to scroll down and look for administrative templates. Tap this one here. Now scroll down again and then look for Windows components. And then here you have to scroll down till you see that Microsoft Antivirus Defender. So if you can't find it here, then you can go to all settings and look for that folder. So this is what it looks like. And what you want to do here is to look for turn off Microsoft Defender Antivirus. So you have to click this one here. And then after you tap this, and then here, what you want to do is to tap this disabled, click apply, and then click OK. Now, step two, you have to go to the search box again and then look for registry editor, click open, or you have to tap run as administrator first and then click open. So this is what it looks like. And what you want to do here is to simply copy this one and then paste it right here. Okay. So after you paste that, of course, this real-time protection folder will show up. Okay, so tap real-time protection folder. Now below default, we have here disable real-time. You just have to tap that one, right click, and then click delete. As easy as that. Last method here is you have to go back to the search box again and then type CMD, command prompt, click open, and then here what you want to do is just simply type this CFC space slash scan now. Now please don't forget to run this as administrator before you open the CMD. Okay, and then click enter. Now you have to wait as it is processing. Once done, what you want to do next is to simply copy this one here or just type DISM slash online slash cleanup, okay, image, and then restore help, tap enter, and wait again as it is processing. Then once done, what you want to do is to type exit. Now, next is you have to restart your computer. Okay, and then after you restart your computer, what you want to do is to go to your Windows security again, okay, and then open virus and protection, and then look for that real time protection and try to turn this one on. And I really hope that after doing this method, it will fix the problem. Real-time protection can't be turned on. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.